Hello friends, welcome back. Back here again to finish this product. So let me recap what we did on the first video. I forgot to put this back, this rubber piece here that holds the hose rests on this. So make sure you have that before you screw the hose into the elbow. And put a little bit of lube here on the elbow, that way it's easier to get it in there. I think I'm going to, I'm gonna lift this all the way up. Let me just get rid of a little bit of this plastic in here. All right. And now we just have to solder the wire now. By now my heating gun should be ready. I mean my solder gun. So there you have it. There's the wire. Okay, so I'm gonna start soldering it right now. Let me find my flux and my soldering wire. Here's my soldering flux. Put a little bit there. And there you have it. Okay. And then you kind of want to hide it back there. That way we had the other one. Okay. Okay. And there you have it. So now we just put the cover and this other piece that came off. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. And now all you gotta do is just put the screws back together, and there's, you know, we fixed it. Okay, so I hope this video helps. Oh, and then you gotta put that back, slide it back, and there you have it. So we'll be uploading more videos on different models, so that, you know, we can show you a little bit of what we do here. If you like the video, please subscribe, and we'll be uploading more new videos. Thank you for watching.